This video shows how the Summa S3 series ProCam print, cut, and crease workflow works. This is a conceptual overview only. The workflow steps and their order will vary slightly depending upon which software is used to create the workflow. The Summa S3 ProCam cutter and this workflow are fully supported by Summa Go Sign software, as well as the major sign and graphics RIP packages. Creating the file for printing and cutting. A package design is chosen based on the desired finished product. Print-ready artwork is added to the template. Each line of the template is assigned a specific cutter function, crease, through cut, or perf cut, by coloring the line with a unique spot color corresponding to one of those functions. Lines that will be creases are assigned a unique spot color. Here, they're green. Lines that will be through cuts are assigned a second spot color. Here they're yellow. On a roll cutter, true through cuts should only be used for slits or tab slots. And finally, lines that will be perf cuts are assigned a third spot color. Those are light blue here. On a roll cutter, these are the lines that cut the product out of the sheet. Perf cuts are used to cut the product out because they allow the sheet to hold together during transport through the cutter. Registration and other necessary marks are added to the job. Information that will appear on the sheet is sent to the printer. Information used by the cutter is held until the printed sheet is ready to be cut. How the S3 ProCam creasing tool works. On the S3 ProCam, the creasing tool is installed in the cutting head adjacent to the knife holder. Here's the knife holder and the creasing tool. When the creasing tool is required by a cut job, the knife holder assembly is automatically raised to engage the creasing tool holder and lower the creasing tool. Cutting and creasing the job. The printed sheet is loaded, and the cut data is sent to the cutter. Creasing is done first. The workflow can be configured for multiple creasing passes, as required by the design or the material being used. This job uses 4 passes for each crease. Slits and slots are cut next, followed by the perf cuts that cut the design out of the sheet. With cutting completed, all that remains is to punch the finished design out of the sheet and fold it. And there you have it. A packaging prototype, or short-run production, completely finished on the Summa S3 Pro Cam roll cutter.